How to fix PS4 error code SU-42481-9. Method 1. Delete and download the update again. 1. Restart your PS4 and update your console system software with a wired internet connection. 2. Delete the incomplete update file from notifications area. Like this. 3. Launch system software update option. Like this. Method 2. Update the PS4 system software using a USB. Then update your console in its safe mode. Note, get the latest PS... For update data pre-downloaded from PS4 console system software update page.